Hi, in front of me I have DOOGEE S90 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the browser. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the volume down button and power button together. After a second, you will see this screen flash animation, and when you open the notification menu, here you can see that the screenshot has been captured. You can either share it here or delete it if you want. You can also view it in the gallery in the screenshot folder. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.